YouTube Studio Dashboard Tutorials. Hi guys, this is Tiffany and I just wanted to stop in and give you guys an update on our title and thumbnail test. So if you guys have been watching my past videos, if you haven't watched the previous two videos, I suggest that you pause right now, hit the subscribe button, go back, watch those two videos, and then come back to this one because I don't want to ruin the suspense of the test. But for those of you that already know what I've been doing, I wanted to give you an update on the results. So, just a little bit of a recap. What we did was we utilized the trends in our studio dashboard, and you can find this on your phone, your Apple device, whether it be Apple or Android or your desktop computer. But we utilize trends in order to select the title and the thumbnail of a video that I posted over the weekend. So first, let's go and see that video in particular. So we're going to go over to content and the title that I selected, which is doing very good. It already has 142 views. That is fantastic for me for a video that has been out 3 days. So it came out on the 7th and it has 142 views. But a video, unbeknownst to me, that came out a day later has more views. And actually, even though this video right here doesn't have the same amount as views, it is actually set to surpass both of these videos. Now, on this video, yes, I 100% knew what I was doing with that title. With this video, I did not know what I was doing with the title. I was just doing a dashboard tutorial, and that's the title that I chose. But I didn't know that it was actually a trending topic. So how do I know that this video is going to be my best video to date? Well, if I go over here into my dashboard, the one thing that I love that YouTube does is it gives you this ranking by views. And basically, it is going to compare any new video that you put out to your last 10 videos. So when I go here, it's showing me that ranking by views on this video, it's number 1. How do I know it's number 1? Well, within the first 1 day and 46 minutes, this video has received 99 views. As to where if we look at my other videos, the one that I purposefully did with a trending topic, in that same 24-hour period, only received 79 videos. If you are not doing update videos, you see this 300 subscriber 3-week update video, that one got 84 views. That's my second ranked highest video, even though it's been out a whole lot longer. So let's go over here, and I want to show you the one thing that I did that I think increased the views on this video. So I'm going to go over to content and I'm going to show you the details. If you are not doing this, please start doing this. I'm watching a ton of people's videos and I see that on some of them the views are really, really low. This is going to be your very easy way to remedy that is whatever you are putting as your title, put it in your description. Even if you don't put anything else, don't leave your description blank. This word and this word, that line working together It's just a way that you are going to talk to the computer, talk to the algorithm, and increase your search engine optimization. So don't leave your description blank. That is where you are going to add your title as well as all of your hashtags. So you see, I have all of my hashtags down here. Don't leave that space blank. If you did not know, you are not supposed to put hashtags in your title. The algorithm just doesn't really understand that. So don't put hashtags, because in computer talk or like coding talk, hashtags mean something different. So don't put them in your title. I don't know what they mean because I'm not that techie dude, but I do see people at work that know how to talk tech, and you don't want to put them in your title. The one thing though, let me get to it, that I did differently in this video that I've never done in any of my videos, and it was just easier for me to do it in this one. That's the reason why you guys didn't get any fun pop-ups and stuff in this video, because I focused my time for editing to make sure that I put in timestamps. So literally at 1 minute in the video, that's where I'm saying tip number one, just start. At 2 minutes and 50 seconds in the video, I'm saying tip two, use trending titles, optimizing your videos for SEO and search rankings. Reason why I'm putting in chapters or timestamps, that's what YouTube calls them, is chapters. And believe it or not, my chat GPT, I'm going to go over here and show you guys that. It wrote all of these for me. I just went in there and edited them to actually match the content in my video. But ChatGPT wrote all of my timestamps for me. I just had to go in there and perfect them and update them. So definitely be using timestamps. I think that this is the reason why this video, it's not viral, but it's definitely circulating the algorithm. The algorithm likes it. And that brings me to my final point before we close out. Let's go here. Let's go back to my content. We're at my content. And what I'm going to do is I am going to sort this by views just to kind of show you what seems to be driving my views. Now, I think that the algorithm is just a little bit pleased with me right now, and that is the reason why this video, my number one video, is really starting to jump in views. But also I think that it's you guys, my subscriber base. You know, now you kind of trust me a little bit with these new videos that you've seen. So you're going back to the beginning to see where I started from, and I appreciate that. But when you, right now, as new content creators, we're building our channels. We want YouTube to trust us. We want our subscriber base to trust us. So until then, we can't get stuck in our own personal ways and our own personal vlogs. We will get that opportunity for us to customize our channels and be more personable once we get the job, if you know what I'm saying. So I find it interesting that this video in particular, YouTube is easy to get monetized. It's easier to get demonetized. Totally was not a trending topic. I didn't even know about trending titles when I wrote this one in particular. I just happened to have seen a video that totally impacted me, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and record something about that, because I want all of my new content creators to be up on game when it comes to reading YouTube's community guidelines, knowing what is against the guidelines and what is good for the guidelines. Because that is content that A, is evergreen, but it's content that YouTube likes. Why does YouTube like that? Because when we go to get our channels monetized, if we have already been following YouTube's community guidelines, guess what? It's very easy for them to sell our channels to the different advertisers that are wanting to promote their brands on YouTube. So keep your brand clean. That to me, just by the ranking of it, you see this is, again, it's not my oldest video. It hasn't been out very long, but it's my highest viewed video because YouTube is serving it up to everybody. Let's look at the analytics because I haven't looked at them. So let's see what it's saying. Okay, it's received 341 views, 17 hours of watch time on that video. Fantastic. And I've gained 6 new subscribers on that video. I think that's the most subscribers I've gained from a video. Reach, this is where we're going to see how many people YouTube sent it to. So reach 7.5K impressions. So YouTube has sent it to a little under 10,000 people, 7.5K, but 3.6% of people are clicking on it, and that impressions click-through rate is going up all the time. I'm going to show you that on my other video. 341 views, 273 unique viewers. So those are excellent stats to me. Down here, it's going to show me where those views are coming from or where they're serving those ads to. We have browse features. We have channel pages. So other YouTube content creators' pages are finding me. Suggested videos. This is a good thing. That means that YouTube is suggesting the video alongside other people's videos, which is great. That's the space you want to be in. And then this is great too. Content suggesting this video. Catching influencers lying about their lifestyle. Fake. That's funny. 10 things you should keep to yourself. My first video, I could totally see that. YouTube is on easy mode, so why aren't you posting it? So you can see there's some similarities in my video as to what these videos are. So these are kind of the areas where YouTube is placing my video so that it can suggest it. And then playlists featuring the video. Right now it's only my playlist. I am going to do another playlist so that I have 2 that will help increase my watch hours. So I'm going to move all of the dashboard tutorials off of my YouTube journey playlist and make a dashboard tutorials playlist. I'm sure advertisers are going to love that. And then just really quick, I just wanted to show you guys how I know that my click-through rate is going up. Because look at this video. My click-through rate is 5.1%. Let's go to the analytics of this one and see how many times it's been served. So this one has only been served 1.4. So barely 1,500 impressions on this one. So it's definitely doing much, much better with the algorithm. Let's see, engagement. Ooh, and look at this. It is a 19-minute video. People are watching it for about 5 minutes. That is 2 minutes and 15 seconds more than any of my other videos. So again, I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I am seeing off of the test that we ran. If there are things that you would like to see or have questions about in the studio, please leave it down in the comments below. I would love to explore it with you because maybe it's something that I haven't learned yet and I need to get more familiarized with. If there is an analytic that I did not show you, also leave that down in the comments. I will make sure to answer all of your questions. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on your notifications and leave a like. Likes are free. May we all reach our target audience. My name is Tiff. This is my take. Be blessed, have a blessed day, and do what you can to to bless someone else's day.